Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Unfortunately, I'm filming this out the front of my house right now, but we had some technical difficulties with one of the GoPros, so we lost a bit of footage, which is a bit unfortunate. But today's video is just going to be us taking the diff out of the giveaway car, the budget build, and putting in a mini spool. So luckily we only lost the part where we pulled the diff out, so that was quite lucky. We still got all the rest of it, but also doing the line locker to lock those back brakes off, as well as chucking some springs in the front of it, some super lows. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, drop a comment below. Big thanks to Shane for helping us out, really appreciate it. But yeah, enjoy guys. So this is a mini spool we got. So she is waiting to go in, and this is the line locker that we got. So once we drop this diff down, we will get that locker in. So what are we doing, Shane?
Pulling the fucking plug out, mate.
Oh, that is filthy, isn't it? I reckon it's a good idea you suggested to change the diff oil, eh?
That's all we're doing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Diff oil,
Yeah.
Pull the diff out, change the diff oil?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it's on these S packs, you got to pull the whole diff out to change your oil.
Yeah.
But let's yeah. Alright, so what's happening now, bro?
We are fitting the mini spool. We have removed the hat by taking the split pins out. We have removed all of the fighter gears that make you single peg, and we are locking it with a solid chunk of metal with a spline through it.
Beautiful.
So that flops in there. Pull this gear off. Plop that back on there. Throw it back in the car, skids away. Skids away. Now for you people at home, that whenever you want to do your own mini spool, remember these are reverse thread. So undo does up, and doing up undoes.
So is that one spinning, Shane?
Yes, it is.
Oh, is that one spinning at the same time?
It's certainly.
Oh, beautiful. So we're ripping these old struts out, the standard springs on them. We are going to chuck some super lows in the front. So hopefully that makes her sit a little bit better in the front end, because right now it's way too high. Alright, so while Shane's just serving a customer in the front there, I don't know if you can see on the camera, but I'll just tell you what we're going to do here. So we've got little like tap valve to lock off the back brakes. So we need to undo this one here and then chuck that in, so then we can just flick that and lock the brakes off. So that is the plan. Alright guys, it's the next day and we have picked up the giveaway skid car. It's fully locked, so the spool is in, it's all sorted, possibly may work. Yeah, does do skids, I think. But no, pretty happy with it. Big thanks to Shane. I appreciate the help you've done, Shane. But don't worry, mate. I won't skid here. I don't do skids. But yeah, no, she definitely is definitely doing what it should do now. So finally, we have a skid car. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. We may go for a test skid on a private property. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, drop a comment, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.